Hello, this is my friend Lego brick remover. It helps me remove my Lego whenever I put it in the wrong place. It is a very useful tool and can be used for removing different sorts of pieces. Let me show you how. Can you see this? No, wait, not this. This. It is a stack of 3 pieces and they are very hard to remove. But this is not one of the hardest. First, you have to put the Lego brick remover on top of the piece like this. Then put it on the table and press down on the Lego brick remover. Wait. So now we have removed the purple brick from this yellow and beige one, or you can say peach. Now I'll be showing how to remove this. This is 2 pieces and it's very hard to remove. There are 2 methods to do this. First, you can again put this underneath my friend Lego brick remover, thank you, and put another piece on the bottom. Then press down while holding this piece also, otherwise both of them will just like will still be stuck together. Now you have removed these, and if your thing is still stuck here, most likely not. Well, if it is, just do this again. The other method is to use 2 Lego brick removers. Put one on top and the other one on the bottom at a 90-degree angle. Then pull them apart from each other and there you go. Here's another part. This one looks like Olaf's nose. If you don't know Olaf, have you not watched Frozen or Frozen 2? It kind of looks like his nose. It's also orange. Anyways, this long stick is used to remove this from another thing in case you just put in the wrong color or the wrong long piece. Just put this in here and push up and the piece just flow away. Now there's this piece. For me, it's still hard to get off, but for those of you which can't, like most people, you can use this and this bottom part with the Lego symbol. Put it over here and just slide up. If it's not working from one angle, try the other. There we go.